This week's Chicago housing market update, we're going to talk about the neighborhoods and what the prices are looking like. Let's go first to the North Lakefront communities. You can see the different neighborhoods starting with Edgewater at the top. 65 homes closed last year, amounting to a median sales price of $1,045,000. Folks, everywhere except one community in the lakefront communities is over $1 million in its median sales price for a single family home. I'm not going to go through each of them. You can see here they range from $1,850,000, which is the highest, Lincoln Park, to Uptown $1,253,000, Lincoln Square $1,275,000. All right, now the lower single family communities. Yes, the near west side, 7047, is the most affordable. Only 26 homes sold there. 6 homes sold in the near south side, the South Loop, for $1,087,500. And in the near north neighborhood, Streeterville, River North, and Gold Coast, $1,612,000. So now let's look at it here by neighborhood, the winners and the losers. The first column, obviously, is the median sales price for the neighborhood. And then the first percentage to the right of that shows how much it went up in 1 year. So by reading this chart, you can see that year over year, Uptown was the biggest winner. Prices went up over 22% for Uptown. And near north, single family homes down 27% year over year, and near south side, negative 41%. But I would suggest that these are not trends. It's just an aberration or an outlier. If you look at the second number under near north, that's the 5-year trend, that second column. Prices are up today 33% versus last year. So what that means is just a few lower priced homes sold in the near north neighborhood. And the same is true of the South Loop. But interesting, look at Logan Square and near west side in the middle of the page. They're the only two that have a third column. And in that third column, you'll see that single family homes over the 10 years, and that's what that third column is, are double what they were 10 years ago. So huge. If you invested in single family homes in Logan Square and the near west side, well done you. All right, now let's go to attached. And here are the lakefront communities, and we're going to break it down one by one. Edgewater, 645 units closed last year, median sales price $265,000. Down at the bottom right, you can see $600,000 is the median sales price for Lincoln Park. That is the most expensive neighborhood in the city, followed by Westtown, which you can see on the top left of this slide, 1,138 units for $581,000. All right, now we're going to break them out again. And again, for each neighborhood, the first percentage is year over year, the second is 5-year, and the third is 10-year. So you can see 10 years, the near south side hasn't seen much appreciation. It's at the bottom with only 2%. However, if you look near the top, Irving Park and Logan Square, 68 and 63% over 10 years, followed by Edgewater and Uptown at 54 and 50%. Now, these are not the highest appreciating neighborhoods in the city of Chicago. They're where most of our clients buy and sell. Hermosa, Avondale have seen huge appreciation just outside of these lakefront communities where people are going to try to get more affordable housing. A couple other quick things I want to share with you this week. Single family homes, right now there are only 151 on the market in the lakefront communities and 1.9 months worth of inventory, the lowest inventory that we've ever had. Now, oh wait, let me go back, 1,646 attached, again, lowest. All right. This is a December chart. This is showing time. This is the number of people out there looking. In December, it was down versus the previous year, but certainly outpacing the United States. Now, here is a more interesting number. This is the number of showings per listing during the month of January. So this is a much more recent number than what I just showed you, which was the whole area for December. 7.1. That says that people are out there looking. There isn't a lot of inventory, but they're out there looking, and that's really important to know. So again, 1.9 months worth of inventory, so low. Interest rates as of Friday, Freddie Mac 6.95. That's where they've been, and that's probably the reason we don't have a lot of inventory is a lot of people are still sitting on their 4% mortgages. So that's a quick look at what's going on in the downtown Chicago real estate market. If you have questions, if I can help in any way, please let me know. I'm Anne Rossley with Baird & Warner. Let's connect.